Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to connect your EcoFlow River 2 Pro to mobile application. Firstly, you should open the Play Store and here in the search field find EcoFlow Power a New World. Okay, it's here. Click Get. Of course, if you watch this, if you're watching this video in, sorry. If you're watching this video after years, so maybe application has different logo and maybe different keywords, like not the Power New World, just EcoFlow only. But you just should check the developer, control and monitor from afar. And just wait a while. Cool. Then click open. Allow notifications. This is a very important device. So select the region. For example, in my case it's Poland. Enter email, for example. And create a password. For example, I will generate password with my KeyPass application. And now I just should check for just only Gmail. Okay, after a while I got support service EcoFlow email, and as you can see here I have the verification code, so I can just copy it and paste in this field. Okay, maybe I can't paste it, so 03 953. Of course, you'll get a different code, not the same code as me, and you'll get it on your email. It's very important to understand. Okay, that's cool. And here, as you can see, our device is enabled, and here we just should click plus button, and here you will see your River 2 Pro device. Click on it and click agree. Wait a while. Failed to add the device, please reset it before trying again. So click reset, and if you should to reset it, so it will show you how to reset the device. So when the device is turned off, press and hold the power button until the screen of the device lights up, goes off and lights up again. This indicates the device is restored to factory settings. So as you can see, it's very easy to do. So wait a while and press power button, screen lights up, now it will lights off, wait a while and lights up again. Release power button, click device has been reset, reset the device, and it's cool. Right now we can connect it to the Wi-Fi network. So just choose on the click on the Wi-Fi button and select the network you want to connect to your EcoFlow device, and enter the password of this network. I will enter my password from my Wi-Fi. Click return, click next. You can set the password if you want in the application. And it's cool, click done. Here you can change the homepage style. I wanna choose default homepage. And it's cool, that's it. As you can see, it works. Now I can enable AC or DC ports. Why I can disable it, wait. Oh. Okay. I can enable or disable USB charging port. So all information about it you can find in our EcoFlow River 2 Pro playlist on our YouTube channel. So hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.